Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question. This is from Bob in Wilmington, Delaware. He says, I was injured. I was walking down the street, a passing vehicle hit a big puddle, and I got drenched, but there was broken glass in the puddle. It went in my eye. Is there anything I can do about this? And the answer is yes, probably. So my question is, was the driver of the vehicle identified? Did the driver of the vehicle stop? Did you get a tag number and call the police? Did they track him down and figure out who he was? Because you have the right to bring a legal claim or a lawsuit against the at-fault driver who hit that water and splashed you. And that claim is going to require you to prove that the driver of the vehicle acted in a careless or negligent or imprudent manner and hit that water and splashed you when they could have simply gone around the puddle. If the at-fault driver was identified, then what we would do is make a claim with that individual's insurance company. This is a Delaware accident. They would probably have a vehicle registered in Delaware, and so what we would be seeking from that driver's insurance company is we would be seeking medical bills and lost wages under the Personal Injury Protection or PIP provision of the driver's insurance policy, and we would be seeking compensation for pain and suffering, for permanent impairment to the eye, and for medicals and lost wages over top of what is payable under PIP. That would be something that we would be seeking from the bodily injury liability provision of that driver's insurance policy. If the driver was not identified, they drove off, we have no idea who it is, that's what's called a phantom vehicle situation or a phantom vehicle case, and Bob, we would look to your auto policy. If you have an insurance policy that would apply to you, either on your own vehicle or on a resident household member, a resident family member's insurance policy, we would look to your insurance policy or another auto insurance policy that might apply to you to see if we can make a claim for what's called uninsured motorist bodily injury compensation. And so if you have an auto policy, then your auto policy will provide you with insurance coverage that will pay you for what you would have gotten from the at-fault driver if you'd been able to identify them and if they had had insurance. So we would look to your policy, and that's screening for policies, trying to identify coverage in cases like this is something that we do every day. Give us a call if this is the type of situation that you've had. But essentially, that's my analysis from a legal standpoint for a Delaware pedestrian puddle splash accident. That's what I would be looking at to try to assist you to recover compensation. Hope that answers the question. Hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you have a question for me that I can answer, on the air, on the internet, in a public forum like this, send me an email. I'm Ben Schwartz. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. You can also go on our Facebook page, facebook.com/schwartzandschwartz, and you can submit a message to us there. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. We'll answer more questions, and we'll be making more videos.